You're watching this video because you're interested in becoming notary signing agent, as like they say, timing is everything. Because read this with me. Mortgage rates have tumbled to its lowest point since April 2023. That's not April 2024. That is almost 18 months ago. So let's unpack this to make you even more excited about the journey you're about to start. In 2023, there has been approximately 4 million home sales. And in 2024, first 2 quarters, there's been about 2 million home sales. So in the past 18 months, there's been about 6 million homeowners in America who've all bought houses over 6%. So I don't think you need a degree in economics to understand that you can say refinance boom coming. There's not been a better time to be a signing agent than right now. Inflation is getting under control. The Fed is cutting rates. The news is everywhere. There's not been a better time to be a notary loan signing agent than right now. Every single home in America needs a notary to close. And as this refi boom picks up, there's actually going to be a shortage of notaries because we're not going to be enough talent of notaries out there to fulfill the millions of homeowners that are about to refinance to get their rate even lower to save money. What an incredible time to be a notary loan signing agent. Now, remember, as interest rates go down, home affordability goes up. A $400,000 home at 7% is now a different mortgage payment, $400,000 at 6%. And could you imagine when interest rates get down to 5? There are cracks in the recession. So not only is the inflation getting under control, it seems like we're headed to recession. And remember, notaries love recessions. Why? Because it means lower interest rates. How do they get out of recession? By getting people to spend. How do you get people to spend? By lower interest rates. It is all coming together. There's not been a better time to be a notary signing agent than right now. To get more information and be a notary loan signing agent, click the link down below. And if you like information just like this and more market updates as the market is evolving in real time, make sure you like, subscribe to this channel. And of course, if you have any comments about the economy, where it's going, my predictions, make sure you comment below.